I don't know.
Okay, who's on this video?
Slime guys.
Slime guys. Slime guys, what are you showing us today?
So we're gonna open up these slime balls. Try.
Okay, we'll zoom in and see what they are.
Yeah.
Ready to robot pilots. Build, swap, battle. All right, slime guys, let's check them out.
Yep. Burst. Hey, Ella.
Hey, Owlet. Here's Sis. She's coming to help us. It does look like it's a little bit hard to get open. Do you need Daddy to help you?
No, I'll just flip it. Whatever. Whatever it takes. So, we got our first guy right here.
Okay, we'll zoom in and check
we'll
him
get
out.
these out.
What kind of outfit does he have on?
He has jewels on and a yellow shirt, a t-shirt.
Okay.
So let's open these things up. And get all of this stuff out.
You popping one out too, Si?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Mommy.
Oh, Owlet wants some of that.
Mommy. Wait, why is there nothing in here?
Because that one already had the little guy out of it.
This guy.
So he goes in that slime.
Ew, look at this. Mommy, feel it.
Yeah.
Ew.
Ooh.
Daddy, feel that. Ew. Mommy, feel that.
Oh,
Daddy,
Silas,
feel that.
how was that slime?
Yeah. So now we're gonna open the orange slime.
Okay.
Oh,
What do you think's gonna be in that one?
I don't know. Who?
Yeah, pull the lid off.
Okay, go sit down and see what's in it.
Gotta use your gecko.
3, 2. Come on. Now my hands are slimy, so now I can't open it. Ew, on my face. See what's the man's in there.
What's in there, Silas?
3, 2, 1, go! Who's in here? So we got Daddy. Do you mind bringing a towel?
Oh,
So
coming in hot.
we got whatever this girl is, I don't know. She's a girl, I know that.
Okay, what does she look like?
So we gotta get her all slimed off first.
Oh, it's getting you good, Silas.
Where's your man? Right there.
What kind of man did you get in your side? Let Mommy see.
How is he dry? How is he dry? Mine is the stickiest one. Can I have a dry towel? Stop it. You're so sticky.
Slimy. Is it fun slime?
Yeah. So we got some mine. Here's mine. She's kind of a little more water than my brother's. We got a girl with purple hair and mad face.
Okay. Purple
So
hair and
far,
mad face. Yeah, set them
we
up for
got
me so I can see them
A
all.
purple face, a green guy with a mohawk, and a green guy with a hat.
Whoop.
So far.
Sister's taking them on.
Hey, who took it the last one? Dad, give me it. Dad!
Oh boy, the green's going down.
And Daddy almost filled it. Is there any more? Darn it, that was the shortest video ever. Mommy, can we do a different one? And the last one we have is 3, 2, 1, done. It's yummy. Look at that. Ew, it's so slimy. And last but not least, she's not very mushy. She's mushier than ever.
Owlette, what happened?
And we got this girl. This guy.
Oh, what?
And
Okay.
now we're gonna play with all of the slime that we have, and we're gonna mess them up again and split them apart in different order.
Okay. These guys look like
This.
looks like they're like buddies here or something.
So we're gonna put all of this back in with one of the guys that were not supposed to be in it. And then after we do that, we'll take them all back out. And we'll see who got in.
Gecko,
that.
which one did you have? The girl.
And she is so mushy, I cannot believe. Ew, I don't think I can even do this. Mommy, I can't do this. Okay, we do this. Well, I can do it.
It looks like maybe once the slime comes out, it does not go back in very well.
Or mine do. Whatever. Somebody just give me a different napkin. Mine. Yay, me out.
Okay, well, thanks for sharing with us, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time, slime boys. Bye-bye.